Hello, welcome back to Mini Resin Chef, where we are a community of adult collectors and creators of miniatures. I'm your host, Resin Bell, and today is finally time for our Easter extravaganza. Today we'll be making all three of the Easter recipes from the Spring series, and I'll go over the Ultra Rare here in just a moment. So stay tuned for that, hit that like button and that subscribe button, and let's get cooking with resin. Before we get started today, I want to share with you the Ultra Rare Spring Wonka Bars. I did this recipe in a previous video, and we went through and we opened it up and I showed you all the cool stuff. Comes with its own little golden ticket, the mold to create your own little chocolates with the Wonka design on them, and 2 bottles of chocolate. So it comes with this adorable box. And before I found the Wonka Bar, Wonka Ball, I guess, the Ultra Rare, I decided I wasn't sure if I was going to find one or not, so I decided to create my own wrappers and boxes, and I provided that PDF to you for free. So the link to that video will be in the description box below, as well as the video where I compare the two. That will be in the description box as well. So even if you do get the Ultra Rare Wonka Bar, these will fit those. And that was just a fluke because I didn't know what size those were. So if you can't find that Wonka Bar, or you just want extras to be able to make more Wonka chocolate, then you can get that free printable to create the boxes, the wrappers, and all of that, and a tutorial to show you how to do it. So go check that out in the description box below, and let's get started on our Easter recipes. Okay, so I think we should start out with our Easter ham, and I want to show you that these are the different ones. We're going to make carrot cupcakes, honey glazed ham, an Easter basket, and then that is the Ultra Rare Wonka that I showed you before. So let's get started. I'm going to take the wrapper off of our ham. Okay, so our little ham looks just like that. How cute is that? They did such a good job on that. I'm not real happy with the center of that, but most of that will be covered with glaze, so it's not a big deal. And then it does come with 2 slices. I'm going to be saving one of those slices for a remix in the future, and then this will be our Easter ham. All right, let's get started. So the instructions say to add some glaze, add some of the spice rub, then the cherries and the pineapples, and cure, add some more glaze and cure. So we're going to do it sort of like that. Let's open this up. Okay, I think that's just super adorable. I'm going to throw it in the oven and let it cure a little bit longer, but everything is held in place for now. I love the little ham. It's so cute. All right, on to the next. Okay, so let's start with our cupcakes. And here is the cupcake instructions. Add your cream cheese, sprinkles, your little toppers, cure, and display. So pretty simple there. How adorable. Carrot cupcakes. Come on. That's so cute. And the little cupcake container. That's just adorable. I'm here for it. I'm here for it, y'all. All right. Look at how cute the little cupcake wrappers and the texture on the cupcake. It just looks like a carrot cupcake. It just does. And we got our little cream cheese. Oh, it's so cute. I love the design of the package. Super cute. I love that their containers seal really well. I mean, look, it looks like cream cheese. We got our little spatula. We can do a dollop. Now, if you go ahead and flash cure it, then those things won't continue to sink. You know, flash cure it for a little bit. Okay, and look at all the extras I have to create remixes with. So that's gonna be fun. And tons of extra sprinkles. Look at that, a whole jar full. Like, I got plenty of extras. I can put these on something else if I want to. Lots of extra stuff that I can use. Okay, I'm gonna give those a good cure and we'll move on to the next. Okay, so we're gonna start on our Easter basket. It's so cute. I just love the whole concept of this. It is just brilliant. So we have our adorable chocolate bunny to go inside of our Easter basket. I love how the little chocolate bunny head looks, and I so wish that they had used those little toppers for their display balls. I wish they had done them in the chocolate bunny heads, because that would have been magical. But this is pretty cool, so we're going to work on that. And we've got our cute little basket with our basket wrapper and ribbon. And we have our adorable little Happy Sun Farms grade A mini eggs in their own little container. I adore this little container so much. And here we have our little white eggs, and we just put these in water, and it shows their really cute little designs underneath, which is just brilliant in my opinion. We have our little egg dipper, just like dyeing eggs, in a little bowl. I love that this bowl is not white. It's kind of like a pale blue-green, or green-blue, whatever you want to call it. It is super cute. So I'll definitely be reusing that for a remix in the future. Let's get some water and get started. Now I'm going to do the first one like this, and then we'll move on to the next version of this. All right, so how cute is that? It has its little egg holder. And you just dunk your little egg in the water, let it set for a little bit, You can kind of roll it around, but it'll be easier if you just kind of let it see it's starting to come off there. Let all of that soak off, and you just kind of roll it around. Doesn't take very long, honestly. And look at that. The golden egg was the first one we did, so that's fun. Yeah, the rest of these, I'm just gonna put them all in a larger bowl of water, but this is a fun way to do it. You'll have to replace your water for each egg if you just wanna do it in a little bowl. I think it would work faster. You don't have to, I don't guess, but I think it would be faster. I'm gonna go grab a paper towel and I'm gonna do the rest off camera. So this is about how much water I used. I just dunked them all in there and swirled them around, and it worked out pretty well. So what we're left with is all of these cuties. And then I'm gonna be saving my gold one for a Wonka remix. So yeah, I'm gonna hang on to that one, but the rest of these are gonna go into the basket. Okay, so apparently I have misplaced my Easter grass, but I'm just going to use the stuff that came with the Wonka Bar box, and I think it'll be cute to have purple Easter grass. We do that sometimes, right? We have lots of different colors of Easter grass, and I think that'll be adorable. Put our little Easter grasses in there. Try to make a little space on the inside. Okay. Need some room for my little chocolate bunny here. Alright, and maybe a couple of eggs. Let's see. I want this cute little speckly one. Sure. And maybe this pink one, this dark pink one. Yeah, that'll be cute. With the purple grass, that's going to be adorable. And then there's the green grass on the chocolate bunny. So that's going to be cute. And then I'll just save these little guys for something else. Alright, let's open up the bag for the basket. The basket bag. I do want to be a little gentle. I don't want to tear my bag. Let's see here. So adorable. Oh my goodness. It's so adorable. Grab my ribbon. So cute. There we go. So cute. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. It's so adorable. I am in love. It's so cute. Yeah, super cute. All right, let's get to that Okay guys, I love the Easter set more than I thought I would. Like, legitimately. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love the little pineapple ham. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. And it lends well to remixes because it comes with that extra, and there's plenty of room on that plate. You could add veggies and stuff if you wanted to. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And then we have our adorable little cupcakes. I mean, come on, you guys. How freaking cute are they? They're so cute. I love the little bunny ears and that there was 2 different types. Ah! So good. So cute. I love that there was plenty of extra eggs so you can do other stuff with them. You can decorate like your little cart here, and the little basket with the little tiny chocolate bunny. I mean, and I actually love the little filling that came with it was green. It's around here somewhere, I'm not sure, but I actually really like the purple because it looks so cute. Oh my gosh. But oh my gosh, so adorable. Such a great set, so well designed. Thank you so much, Miniverse, for all the fun. This is so cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I can't tell you how much you mean to me. And yeah, so catch us next week for more Miniverse fun. Happy Easter. Have a wonderful weekend with your families, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao!